Hey Tina, we're here at the entrance of 5535 8th Ave. Walking into the duplex to the immediate right, or I'm sorry, left. There's a coat closet there. You can see down there where we need a little paint done. Really the whole place needs to be painted. Straight ahead and to the left, we've got the kitchen area here. It does have the dishwasher, has the oven, the microwave, and the fridge. Countertops are Formica and in pretty decent shape. So is the sink, and the cabinets are in pretty decent shape also. Looks like we just need some light bulbs in here. You've got a little pantry closet here. And then kitchen looking out to the, that's actually the, if you're looking at the duplex from the front, the entry is on the left-hand side. The AC is not on at the moment. I did try starting it. It does have the panel here, the electric panel, but I'm guessing the unit's probably missing from the exterior. We do have an air handler here on the interior of the unit, which is right here. There's your hot water tank and your air handler unit. Aside from being really dusty and not cleaned out in there, it looks like it might be functional, but tough to say since it's not on at this point in time. Just off of that, we've got one of the bedrooms here. The carpet is a little loose, could use a little restretching. It does have a couple of stains in it. But because of the color of the carpet, it's probably hiding some of the wear and tear. Otherwise in okay shape. There's the front window to the front of the unit. The window's in good shape. And then in the closet, slight hole down there in the corner which needs to be covered up. Or you could just add some baseboards and cover it up that way. No holes or anything on the ceiling in this room. So we're all clear there. And then this is where your laundry room is here. No washer and dryer. And nothing to report above either. In good shape there. Your door here doesn't quite fit right on the tracks there, so that's a quick and simple fix. The right side of it does work fine. Then you've got your bathroom over here. Bathroom's in good shape. Counters are in good shape. Medicine cabinet, mirror. Everything's in decent shape in this room. Toilet, tub, and window. Everything's in good shape in here. Coming back out. Again, you've got your little dining area here. You've got a lamp there for a little table if you wanted to put a table and chair there to eat. And then your living area there with a ceiling light and fan. And then the kitchen opens up out onto this area and has a little bar area if you wanted to put some stools or some chairs there. There are a couple stains in the carpet as expected. You can see one right there. You can see a piece of missing carpet right there. The one concern that I have in this specific room is that there's probably a roof leak. You can see down here where some of the paint's peeling off. That's usually indicative of some kind of water damage there. And then if you look straight up here, you can probably see that discoloration up there. That shows that there's either a current or was a previous water leak right up there. You can also see the same thing right there, that round spot. That's indicative of a water leak. Could be current, could be old, tough to say. Then we've got the master bedroom here. Same carpet, Again, you need paint. You've got your master closet there, and then your master shower. Again, good shape, mirrors, toilet, tub. So really, so far, the only thing that we've seen in these units, or in this unit, is we need to check out the roof leak situation, see if it's an active leak or not, see what we have to do there. The carpet, if you wanted to replace that, it's up to you. And whether or not the AC works. Those are the three things really that we need to look out for on this side of the unit. Coming out, you can see there's an empty lot right next to it, so it is wooded on the left side here. And then coming out into the left side unit, the 5537 side, the AC was on when I walked in. Wasn't very cold, but it is blowing. Again, same exact floor plan. You've got your closet here, right at the front doorway. And then you've got your kitchen. Again, this one's in good shape also. The appliances are a little bit older, but they are here, dishwasher, and there's your stove. And your fridge. Window looking out to the front of the unit. Your pantry. Countertops, a little burn mark here, but otherwise in good shape. So is the sink. Coming out into the rest of the home here, we'll follow the same path. You've got your air handler unit here. There was obviously some kind of leak in here at one point. Could have been the hot water tank. It could have been the air handler, but you can see how all that paint is all bubbled up. Well, that just tells you that there was a leak back in here, and you can't really see back there, but there's some, looks like some mold on the wall back there. It doesn't feel wet, so it's probably something that's happened previously. This air handler unit here looks pretty old, so you may need to just replace the AC system. Then you've got your laundry area, you've got your washer and dryer in here. Nothing to report up on the wall there. Then you've got your guest bathroom here, in pretty good shape also. You got your mirror, your toilet, everything's in place here. It needs to be cleaned. You can see where the grout is dirty, but otherwise in good shape. And then this bedroom here, the carpet was ripped out, so it will need carpet, and we'll need the baseboards. And there's a small hole right there in the drywall which would need to be patched. There was a previous hole right up there which had already been patched, just needs to be painted over. And then you've got your closet over here. Same thing, missing the carpet. Back there you can see the discoloration from where the air handler was, where there was that leak. So that's something that will need to be addressed. And then coming back out into, shut these lights. Coming back out into the unit here. Again, you've got your light there for your table area. The carpet definitely shows signs of wear and tear. And then you've got your ceiling fan there. And then you can see over here also, on this side, it's probably just a ongoing problem here with this side of the duplex. Up here you can see the discoloration. So chances are you're probably going to have to, and there's another little bit right up there, chances are the roof's going to have to be replaced. I haven't checked on the property appraiser website as of yet to see if the roof had ever been done, and if so, when. So I'll check on that also. Carpet in here looks like it definitely needs to be replaced. I don't see any visible signs of roof leaks in here, so it's really just that area. Again, some stainage on the floor there, in the master closet. In the master bathroom in here, the one thing that needs to be replaced, you can see down here, the toilet's busted. So you need a new toilet. Aside from that, everything else looks to be in pretty good shape in here. Tub, the tile, the countertops. So far in this unit, we've got the carpets, the toilet that we just saw that needs to be repaired. Obviously checking on the roof leak, which is for both units, and then the AC situation here as well. Now let's take a look on the exterior. Looking forward, that's towards the front, towards the road, front of the unit. Soffits all along this side. Really doesn't look like they need to be cleaned out. The concrete block looks to be in real good shape. Going around the back of the unit, there's a partial fence along the back from the other neighbor. It's a wood fence there. And coming towards the back of the unit here, you'll see all the windows are intact. There is 1 meter that's missing there. And then right below here, I believe, is where the air handler is supposed to be, or the AC condenser, I should say. Then we'll go around to the other side. Alright, there's some areas of the soffit that are missing. Right there. This is the front of the unit. On the roof up there, you can see some areas where the shingles are lifted up there. Right up there. That mound that you see there, that's just some pine cones from the neighboring trees. Or right up there though, you've got another shingle that's up, so probably have to get the roof redone. I can't really tell because of the angle and the fact that the lots of wood next to it. I can't see the right side of the roof where it looks like it's leaking on the interior, but we can see where the soffit has come down in that area there. And also right up here. So the soffit just needs to be replaced or fixed there. And then you can see down there where the air handler or the condenser unit is supposed to be is missing. They're both missing, actually. They've both been stolen. So the fact that the one on the inside and on the left is actually running, it sounds like it's probably just the electric running. It wasn't really the unit, which explains why it's not cold. And that'll be it for the 8th Ave duplex.